Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Mano, and in this video I was just going through a lot of images for my project. I was working on that. It's my personal project. I'm working it on the side, so it's a side project kind of thing. So and I wanted a lot of background-less images, like PNG images which doesn't have background, actual background. And I went on to Google and I was searching Nike logo PNG transparent. So I was I want a Nike logo which has a transparent background, and I just went on to images so I can get the right images, and I found a lot of images actually having a background which doesn't have a background as well. So I like the swoosh thing. Actually Nike, that bat like thing is called swoosh. Oh, it's a kind of fun fact. And I just wanted to save this image. The name doesn't matter. I can save it on my desktop. I just clicking on save. And when I go to the location, as you can see right over here, this is having a background. The background is there. And what the background is that? The background is just that, that grid thing, that white and gray grid thing is actually the background of this particular image, which is completely irritating. I don't want these kinds of images because I want to save time while I'm working with these kind of images, and I want to be effective, productive while doing these things. So I wanted to solve this issue, so I went back to Google and I found that this tools thing is quite interesting. Let's solve this issue. Let's solve this issue with the help of Google and no other third-party apps. So you can see these two things, settings and tools. I just clicking on tools over here right now. So tools will open this box where they have size, color, type, time and user rights. So when I click on this color, I'm having multiple options. I just click on transparent. So what this will do is that Google will automatically search for it. Google is quite smart, so it knows which images has background and which image doesn't have a background. So it will automatically filter out all the images which has a background and provide you with only those images which doesn't have a background. So you can see a lot of images are there, but they seem like they have background, but actually when you save them, they don't have a background. And I like this swoosh thing. It's an orange one. It's a typical traditional Nike swoosh. When I click on this image and click save as, come on, yep. So I click on save, the image is getting downloaded. When I go over here, as you can compare these two images, the background is not there in the second image, while the background is there on the first image. So it's kind of hack without a third-party tool, third-party software which you can use. And I found this very helpful. I hope you guys like this video and informative and helpful. If you like this video, share it with your friends like crazy and subscribe to the channel, like this video. So see you guys next one. Bye bye.